Fatima says, I saw many Muslims, including myself, after making dua or supplication, wipe hands over face. Is this perceived by a fatwa or sunnah or whatever you call it? The answer is no. When we make dua, generally speaking, not related to after salah, generally speaking, I am between adhan and iqamah and I raise my hands and make dua. After I finish, some people wipe their faces. And this is not backed up by any authentic hadith. So the hadith that backs it up is not authentic. Hence, one should not do that. Now look at the steps of shaitan. How many times have you seen people not only wiping their faces, but rather wiping their whole bodies and every inch of it? I've seen many. How did this start? I personally have approached many. So I go to them and say, Assalamu alaikum. And the guy says, Alaikum assalam. I said, Akhi, would you accept a word of advice from an elder brother, or should I refrain? Immediately when they see you speak like this, so no. If they're young, they'll say, Uncle, please, advise me. If he's a little bit older, he says, yeah, no problem. If he's way older, he says, Akhi, don't make yourself older, I'm older than you. So, I broke the ice with the grace of Allah. So I would tell him, Akhi, I saw you do this. Do you know any hadith that backs it up? 99.9% says no, but I saw someone do this, so I thought that this is barakah, blah, blah, blah. I said, okay, I'll tell you the proper sunnah, and it's up to you to take it or not. The Prophet ﷺ would never do this except in two occasions. One, before going to bed, he used to cup his hands, blow, then recite the 3 quls and wipe over his body. Repeat this 3 times. Or whenever he felt pain or got sick, he used to do ruqya on himself by cupping his hands, reciting the 3 quls, then blow. See the opposite. Night adhkar or bedtime adhkar, we blow, then recite. In ruqya, we recite, then blow, and he would wipe over the area that aches him or hurts him. Never ever was it reported that the Prophet ﷺ wiped his face after salat or after dua or his body. So always remember, when you have a hadith, people honor it, people value it. In short, wiping the face after dua or invocation or supplication is an innovation, it's not valid.